How to share someone's story as your story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So let me show you how to do it. Here as you can see, I am already on my Instagram app. So if I go to a story, let's say this one, and if I want to add this story as my own story, I just have to click on this button at the bottom of the page and hit on add this to your story. So I have to mention that I can do that only because this person has already tagged me in their story, so I'm able to easily post their story as my story. So now you can adjust this however you want. And from here, you can hit this arrow from the right bottom corner and then hit on share. So if you're not tagged in their story, then it's much harder to post their story as your own. So you can go and record their story if it is a video and then post it as your story and make sure that you tag that person. And if it's just a picture, you can just screenshot it and it's super easy. Tag that person and share this as your story. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was simple for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.